Funky D, welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, the news say Kemi Oluloya called Yoruba the most dumbest tribe in the world. Reply as a Yoruba person. Actually, it don't tell when I want to talk about this Yoruba people, how dumb they are. This one again, when Kemi Oluloya come out, now another interesting topic. And I know when in this platform, when they talk about Yoruba or Igbo or Hausa or people from Kebbi State, and we are not talking about everybody, ladies and gentlemen. People when they into politics, not them will they talk about. So you have to get that in your brain. This Yoruba thing when Kemi Oluloya come out, I say a very interesting topic. And are they very, very interested in this topic? That is why I say make I pick up this topic. But before we go into the Kemi Oluloya topic, make I use this little opportunity thank those of you who not subscribe before. And for those who never subscribe, I say make una subscribe, make una not forget to subscribe, make una not forget to press that bell sign when there's that anytime when we upload, una first get our videos. So, una know say recently, Kemi Oluloya don't do one almighty fake news, give the word regarding the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He don't do one almighty fake news. Okay? And Nnamdi Kanu don't come debunk the lady. Tell and say, man, na me be the Nnamdi Kanu. Now maybe that man when they expose Yo, they expose Zubri, they expose FG, they expose APC and PDP. Now me be the man, according to Nnamdi Kanu, the thing where they tell them. Now me be that person when they expose all of them. Any person when not good in that country, now me be that person when they expose them. Now so Nnamdi Kanu tell Kemi Oluloya yesterday, look at me, I am fine, I am healthy, I am alive. So the same Kemi Oluloya now don't come at the Nyan, they tell the Yoruba, because the woman come from Yoruba land. Even in Papa na former governor. So, you say Yoruba people, na them be the dumbest people all over the world. The dumbest tribe. Na so he put them. And na so he be. So, we go take a look on waiting Kemi Oluloya first of all, talk before I go into my analysis. The reason why I think say Yoruba people, na them be the dumbest in the whole world. So make we read a little bit here waiting Kemi Oluloya talk. Nigeria's most controversial Kemi Oluloya called the Yoruba tribe the most dumbest tribe in the whole world after a man associated her with the Yoruba on Twitter. The journalist who claimed this week that IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu is dead has been receiving many backlash from people across the country. And this altercation led to the journalist calling the Yoruba people the most dumbest tribe in the whole world. This happened when a Twitter user tweeted saying she should stop giving Yoruba bad representation. A Yoruba, first of all, already don't get bad reputation or bad representation. Not be because of Kemi Oluloya. That one, the whole world knows about that. The Yoruba people, they are so wicked, so envious, full of jealousy. Not be because of this Kemi Oluloya from Kidi they yarn like this. But I go tell on the reason why. The Yoruba people, now them betray Nigerian people, betray the southeastern part of the country, betray everybody in that country, give the Northerners. I don't represent Yoruba, one of the dumbest tribe on earth. I represent Nigeria. That's so the woman they talk. I don't know how you guys feel about this statement. Now, Kemi Oluloya, the right to stop giving Yoruba a bad name. The person when we say, then right to the woman. We are very disappointed in you, old Kemi. Igbos are the only people we can strategize with in this country right now. Stop. Yeah, you get some people. That is why they tell us, see, when we talk about the Yorubas, we don't talk about all of them. Like this one, I don't talk, say, Igbo people. Now, the only Igbo people that feel strategize with to pull out from this bondage when 200 million Nigerian people did. That is why before, Funkidi don't tell Showore, tell Nnamdi Kanu, if you never watch that video, make you go back, go watch them. Tell these two men when everybody loves him, it will only need their, unity. I mean, they are coming together to be able to pull out from this northern Janjaweeds. And at the place where I still stand till tomorrow. If Nnamdi Kanu and the Showore collaborate, I say one time, whether anybody like it or whether the Northerners like it, whether anyone in that country like it, whether the political elites, so-called political elites in that country, whether they like it or not, we go free pull out from this marriage when everybody did with these Hausa people, with these Fulani people in Nigeria. Now the thing when I talk. So, and at the same place when I still stand, because this thing will need a very serious collaboration between the Yorubas and the Igbos, or the Showores and the Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB people. Without that, we get big problem. We get heavy problem in that country. Everybody under these Northerners. Because they're not going to leave you. So that is why I say some Yoruba people, some of them get sense. And if I the yarn now about the political people when they into politics, now them with the yarn, with the talk about. Not be everybody. Now, the reason why when I talk say Yoruba, say that them be the dumbest people in Nigeria, as this person they claim. Make una not forget, say, some few months back, Bola Tinubu passed back with the Northerners. They come play one kind game with the 6 governors from the south western part of the country. They can't go play one game. See, they won't bring out one security outfit where they call Amotekun in quotes, when they want to deceive the Yorubas. Amotekun never come out. Everybody buy into Amotekun, not knowing that Bola Tinubu, APC, and the Northern Janjaweed, now them pass back, go plan this plan to deceive them. Say they won't use the thing to the fight. What do they call the herdsmen people? Or the headers. Any I won't call them. They can't do this. When they don't do this finish, till today, ladies and gentlemen, una hear any Amotekun. Una hear anywhere where they work or where they operate. Una hear anything? No. They deceive these people. Even as then they deceive them, so then they bomb Lagos. They bombed Akure. Nobody yarn, nobody speak, nobody stand up, nobody talk in the name of say, then they fear Ashawaju Bola Tinubu, an old man. Old man, then when they wear pampas. Now him Nigerian people that they die for. Buhari they wear pampas. Atiku Abubakar na pampas that one they wear. This man they call Bola Tinubu the same thing. Osibanjo the same thing. Now old people, Nigerian people, then they clamor for. I just wonder, most especially these Yoruba people. Look at the game when Yoruba media they play with the Northerners. And they see these people, they are evil. Even the bomb blast, channel television, not even air the thing. Then they tell us that only 13 people died. When they destroy more than 1,000 houses. On Sunday, when we see, nobody don't even stand up from their sleeps. People, when they sleep, all of them sit in their house. Now, Sunday, now, nobody they walk. Nobody they go walk. You can imagine how many thousands of people went die in that bomb blast. They never do the bomb blast finish. Una say una wan go vote Ashawaju Bola Tinubu. They never land on a bomb finish. The government themselves don't come back again. And I bet you na Bola Tinubu they do all those things. And say, oh, the government won't seize everywhere. See that they are owned them buy the place since 1970 something. Now them pay for the place. When people they mourn. When people they mourn, the same day when the thing happen, now government they claim saying at their land. That is to show you, see, now them plant that bomb. Now them bomb that place. Still, Yoruba people, all of them quiet. All of them hide. Nothing. Bola Tinubu now they come out, they tell us say he won't become a president for una face. Before you know, that land they go say na Bola Tinubu don't say he don't buy them from the government. Now be the next thing one I go here now. Una not fit cast this Bola Tinubu out from Yoruba land. Una see they talk about Bola Tinubu when they do una. That is why from KDC, una be the dumbest. Instead of una to come unite with the Igbo people or with the Biafran people, so that we go pull ourselves from this deadly northern marriage when we do so. When they kill everybody. Not be only Igbos that they kill, ladies and gentlemen, then they kill the Yorubas as well. Nah, una they support Buhari. Una they call Buhari. Una they call a foreigner Buhari. The channel television, that man when they that channel television, every day I they see that guy when they in that mouth when they call Buhari. A young man like you, when did that please? You don't know, say your number 6, you don't lost your number 6. For you to support a foreigner, they deceive 200 million Nigerian people. In the name of Ghana must go, where they don't give her. In the name of brown envelope, your people they die. You know if you talk them. Your brothers, your sisters, they die in bomb blasts. In your own state, you they cover them up. You they tell us say you be journalist. Which kind of journalist are you? Which kind of journalist you be? That guy when they for that channel television and they come out every time. So the Yoruba people, like I said, you see this guy now when they talk to Kemi Oluloya. He's a sensible person. In the talk, say man, now the Igbos, now only Igbos will go fit allied with to pull ourselves out from this slavery when we did. Or in the hand of the northern people, or in the hand of these good-for-nothing politicians when we get in Nigeria. Amotekun today now when they say they don't bring come out. Uno hear Amotekun. Uno see Amotekun. I don't tell you before, say man, somebody when they say they send you herdsmen, if they send you Boko Haram, they blast you. Now him won't bring out security for you. The same person, the same people. How possible it is? How possible you think say it is? For somebody when they kill you, when want you dead, they give you security. It's impossible. So the thing where they do be say Bola Tinubu and the Northerners, it's okay for us to make these people feel say get one good thing when we want to do for them. Make we do like say we won't bring out this Amotekun give them so that then go counter. We go tell them say the Amotekun go counter the herdsmen. Still, the Yoruba people buy them. Today now, where the Amotekun? Where the Amotekun they? They want the security outfit them when they for northern part of the country. Then they operate steady. Even it took Bola Tinubu time to come out, come talk one thing about the Amotekun. Even upon Bola Tinubu don't yam now, you see anything. That is why we tell us say, Ona won't be Yoruba people. Ona jealousy is too much. Ona jealousy is too much. Now they can don't tell on men. Una got to pull out from all these things what they do. Otherwise, na on self una go wound at the end of the day. Go see Lagos State. If you never go to Lagos State before, and that market went there for Lagos Island, Balogun Market. Go see and make you see how the Fulani herdsmen then take over everywhere. They don't take over everywhere in Lagos Island. Not only in Lagos Island, but now there, I see it with my Koro eye. Now there I see my Koro eye. I was like, what? Everywhere in Lagos, these people, they don't take over. They don't take over Yoruba people. They don't take over. As Kemi Oluloya just talk and say, the Yorubas, they be the dumbest people when she don't ever see or dumbest tribe. Now so the matter just be. For Ona to they follow Bola Tinubu. Bola Tinubu governed Lagos State for 8 years. Nothing happened. Bola Tinubu bring out Ambode. Ambode rule only 4 years. Bola Tinubu pursue Ambode. Come bring in Sanwo-Olu. The same Bola Tinubu when bring in somebody when they do well for Lagos State people before. Then still pursue I don't understand the person when give all these people all these powers whether they use all this right whether they use say like saying I then get Lagos. Bola Tinubu, you are not the owner of Lagos. You are not the owner of Nigeria. So for Yoruba people now to come and say they won't support Bola Tinubu again, una dey into trouble. Bola Tinubu said now you go first kill all of una. Now you go first kill all of una. That one not look like you see. Many of his children don't die. You know look face. Not to talk of you. You no go look your face. So the man no go ever look your face. In 2019, Bola Tinubu's wife come open mouth say some Nigerian lazy youth, then they come her house, they beg her money. Now so she talking. I want tell her now today, come out again. I want tell the woman now today, when be Olorumi or whatever she call herself, Bola Tinubu housewife. Say no Nigerian person go fit enter your house. The only one go fit enter your house now your security people and your children. No Nigerian person they beg you money. If anybody they beg you money, now they talks when on a sent to on our own personal mission go kill people for una. Now all those people go fit come and come ask you money. No ordinary Nigerian person go even come close to your house. Not to talk of coming inside your house to come beg. When you have thousands of securities, how they want to come beg you money for inside your house? Olorumi, I hope you will watch this video. Now, Una be the dumbest tribe when in that country. For Una to the betray 200 million Nigerian people, betray Una tribes when be the Yoruba people without looking back because of so-called money when Una they look for. At Una age, Una know the shame. Una know they fear God. Make Una not forget, say, Abba Kyari don't do it own, he don't go. Abba Kyari don't do it own. He don't try to wicked people, kill people, do all sorts of nonsense. Today now we're in there. He don't go. So, Olorumi, nobody, they ask you money. The people when go free ask you money, maybe now people when you send, talks when you send, say me then go eliminate people. Maybe now only then when you owe. Now then go come say, oh, madam, give us the money. Not be ordinary Nigerian person because they will not, nobody will get that access to your house. Nobody will get access to your house. So make you stop to the lie because no Nigerian person when they beg your money, madam. Olorumi. Your husband tell and say he not be politician, but today then they call him Senator Bola Tinubu. After I don't carry 2 billion van, in they come and they tell Nigerian people say, oh, in a business person, in not into government. Today, in they come and say he won't become Nigerian president. Can you imagine? So waiting Kemi Oluloya talk once again, it make too much sense to me because Yoruba people, they are the dumbest tribe everywhere in the world. Go check them out. They like to betray people. They like to intimidate people. They they trust nobody. The Yoruba people, they are very, very bad. Now them make Nigeria be the way when it be today. If Bola Tinubu or Yoruba people, they don't collaborate with these Northerners, Nigeria don't, everybody don't go their way. And things go better. But, you know, these 2 tribes, they continue collaborating. Now him make, you see Nigeria today, get a CB. And him make Nigeria today. These people collaboration, where they collaborate, now based on cheating other people, cheating other tribes, cheating Nigerian people, cheating everybody out. If you talk, then go send you army, then go send you police, then go send you thugs, then go send you killers, then go send you cultist people, then go send you all sorts of nonsense, then go send you Boko Haram, then go send you Esmin, then go send you ISWAP to come kill you and your family. Just to challenge them. Do not the kind of life when people they live with that. So the thing when Kemi Oluloya talk, ladies and gentlemen, about this Yoruba people, I hope somebody like Bola Tinubu go hear them. Osibanjo go hear them. Obasanjo, all these people are traitors to the core. Femi Fani-Kayode, Deji, all of them are traitors. I hope una go hear waiting. The woman tell us say Yoruba people are the dumbest people all over the world. Oh no. Make sure they subscribe and make sure they share funky this video. One love from Canada. Bye.